HSI Motivational Perfume, their version of Aqua di Gio Profondo. So today we're going to have a first impressions video of this perfume that I just recently got from HSI. All right, and this cost around less than 300 pesos, and I got it from TikTok store. All right, so ano nga ba yung ating first impressions dito sa ating perfume na nabili from HSI. Alright, so packaging is the same as most recent HSI perfumes that I've received. Okay, meron siyang yellow outline and the box is black. And there's writing in front, and of course you have the saying or the quote in front. It says again, if you fell down yesterday, stand up today. HG, well, I don't know who that is, but very nice quotation. All right, and on the back you see it says Eau de Parfum, and it's around 22 to 30% oil concentration. So for the price pa lang, magtataka ka na, paano pa kaya kumikita si HSI sa mga nabibenta ng perfumes? And considering na yung nga, meron siyang packaging na ganito kaganda, presentable, and as well as the bottle itself sa loob, makikita niyo later. Nabuksan ko na to, tinanggal ko lang yung plastic, pero I haven't been able to smell the perfume myself. Okay, so let's go ahead and open the box and see the perfume itself. Okay, and ito nga, ang ganda ng kanyang bottle. Isipin mo, di ba, less than 300 pesos, and the bottle, the presentation is very nice. It doesn't look like it's the generic bottles that you see from the stores that sells perfume in the malls. Okay, so it's a black bottle mostly, tapos meron siyang gold accent dito sa kanyang cap, and the atomizer is also colored gold. Okay, sa harapan meron siya nakasabi na motivational perfume, HSI, and it says the scent na kanyang ginagaya or inspired by. Okay, so sorry, let's go ahead and test the atomizer and see kung ano yung ating performance. Okay, okay, ganda rin ng kanyang atomizer, ganda ng kanyang pagkakaspread ng kanyang perfume. And let's go ahead and have a quick look at the notes of Profondo, since I haven't been able to own the Profondo perfume before. So hanapin natin yung nota. Sorry, yung notes na dapat na maaamoy natin dito sa ano. So it says here, top notes, it has C notes, aquatic accord, fresh ocean-like, green mandarin, bergamot, and it has bright citrusy marine kick-off like a fresh ocean breeze. So hanapin natin yan. Sorry. Okay. Yeah. Oo nga. Meron siya pagka C note na parang yung nasa dagat ka, nasa harapan ka ng dagat, tapos maani alon sa ano, parang ganun yung fresh feeling na naamoy mo yung saltiness ng ganyan dagat. Tapos meron siyang pagka citrusy pa rin. I think it's brought about by lime na kanyang scent. And sabi dito, meron siyang middle notes na rosemary, cypress, lavender is what I smell. Okay. And mastic or lentisk. I don't know what that is, but I think hindi ko siya alam kung ano pa siya. So sa dry down naman, meron siyang mineral notes, musk, patchouli, and amber. Alright, so I think meron siyang pagka-musky scent din, and yung amber na bibigay siya ng warmth and depth in terms of the perfume scent itself. Okay, so generally, yun nga, ang pinaka naamoy mo dito is very fresh, and yung C notes niya and yung kanyang, I think, lavender also, yung lumilitaw as it dries down on my skin. So again, this is just the first impression of the HSI motivational perfume, and their take on the Aqua di Gio Profondo. Okay, so we'll give this a couple of days, and we'll go ahead and have another review of this perfume, and I'll let you know in terms of performance, kung tumatagal ba siya, and ano ba yung kanyang projection and ang kanyang sealage. Okay, so again, this is Francis, and thank you so much for watching our video for today. If you have any questions, suggestions of perfumes that you'd like for us to review, please leave a comment down below. I'll also leave a comment on the page of HSI if ever you're interested in buying this perfume. So that's it. Thank you again, and have a great day. Bye.